Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do a cut crease look today for you guys. So we're not really gonna talk, so let's just get into it. The palette that I'll be using is the Huda Beauty in the Nude palette, this one right here. And let's see, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, so my eyebrows are on. Let's go ahead and jump into the eyes. Bite. So I'll go ahead, do this, and that's just gonna go into my crease. You don't really have to build the color right now, just because we're going to blend it out with a tickle right here, and we're going to use that to blend out this darker shade right here. So you just want to go back and forth between the two colors until you are satisfied and it's all completely blended out. I'm gonna use a white concealer from ColourPop. So I'm drawing out the outline first, just so I have a guide of where I want it. Okay, so I'm going back into the purple and just deepening up a little bit more. So I'm going to take a smaller brush like this, go back into a purple, and deepening up. Taking the shade Excite right here in the middle, that's going to go all over the lid. And then I'm going to go back into the dark purple and just cleaning it up, filling in those empty spots on the top right there. And then just repeat the same thing on this eye. I'm gonna use the NYX eyeliner. Go ahead and use the Rimmel Scandal Eyes 24-hour eyeliner for my waterline. I really recommend this eyeliner because it's super black and it's matte as well. I'm going to wear some Lily lashes in the in the style Miami. So I'm going to use some Clinique moisturizer for my face. My face has been very dry lately, but it's doing a little bit better. So that's very good. I really only do moisturizer and then I use the Smashbox primer water. That's really all I've been using lately. I'm not using like any primers or anything else for my face. And then we're using the Lancome foundation. These are really dramatic, but they are so pretty. I do about like 2.5. I feel like that covers my whole face. This is the Morphe Y6. I'm gonna use a brush to apply my foundation first. And then I'll go in with the Beauty Blender and just Blend it all in. Using shade Deep, and this is to cream contour my face. Just a little bit. And a little bit on my nose. Go ahead and use an opposite side to blend in the contour. This shade is a bit more like on the orangey side, as you can tell. It's a bit orange than I like, even though my bronzer is more like on the orangey side. I don't think it is as that orange, but it's okay, we will make it work. I'm blending the contour upwards just to get that to blend in later with the blush and the highlighter. For powder, I'm using Airspun powder. This one's the translucent one, but it's the extra coverage. And I'm just going to press the powder on my face. I'm not going to bake. I think I'm going to bake a little bit just under my eyes and under my contour. But I'm going to do this first. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on for a little bit, and then I'm going to do the under eyes. I'm going to take that dark purple and put it on my bottom waterline. Okay, so I'm gonna do my bottom lashes off camera. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this baking off my face so I can finish off my face. So I'm going to use the NYX matte bronzer in the shade medium, my all-time fave, as my contour. For my bronzer, I mean. So I'm just gonna pat it right over. Of a blush palette. For my blush, I'm just gonna take this one. Blend that into the contour so it doesn't look weird. Lake Girl highlighter, which is in the shade 90 Watt, W-A-T-T. And take a brush. For sure these are highlighted. I mean, these are pigmented for sure. And then I'll go ahead and highlight my nose. And also my inner corner. So I'm using Soft Spoken by NYX for my lip liner. I'm gonna go in with the KKW 1.5 Nude. This one is super nude, so I'm just gonna put a little bit first. Blend it in. Last but not least, definitely set your face. Morphe setting spray. Ooh, it definitely makes a big difference when you set your face. so your makeup does look a lot better. Okay, and then this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoy filming for you guys all the time. And yeah, you go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it down below, and Facebook. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!